so good at sitting, mister. You are. You're sitting up straight practically by yourself, practically. You've only got a little support from Mummy. Yeah, you've only got a little support from Mummy there. Get Daddy. Come on, Daddy, come closer and get wet. You kick with your feet. Yes. With your feet. You'll sit that, okay. You've not been in a paddling pool before, have you? You've been in a big, big swimming pool, but not a little paddling pool. Hey. Mummy should have bought a change of clothes. What are you doing? Yeah, there's more water in here than on the towel. For now, anyway. I think you've already emptied half of the stuff. I'll get you a bigger one next summer. You did. Do you want to lie down? There we go. Now you can kick with your feet. Do you like that? Oh, you want to not play with the side because you'll end up tipping all the water on the floor. That's what you want though, isn't it? You want to tip all the water on the floor. There's enough.